midweek outlook. So what we're expecting today, today is Wednesday, and mamaya, no, 2 a.m. There's going to be a Fed announcement. Interest rates forecast is 3.75. The forecast is they are going to hold the current rate, which is yun yan, no, 3.75. And yung range is for 320 to 350. So that's it. Hindi na siya umakakit yan. And as you can see here, yan, hanggang dyan lang muna siya. But the good thing is, yun nga, nasa taas si gold ng EMA 50. So if the market already priced in itong hold na interest rates, we might see gold going up to at least 4,481 today. Okay? Or the rest of the week. So ilan naman yung forecast natin diyan, continuation ng pagtaas niyan. Kasi even though na uh, mag-hold ng interest rate si gold, it's already priced in ng market. Okay? And context lang, yun nga, the reason why it's going up is because, or the reason why the interest rate is at 3.75 is because of the oil shock, because of the war, no? Because mataas yung price ng oil and everything is affected. Okay? So, ang situation dyan is that Fed will or expected to hold interest rates, or it will raise rates. And yun nga, pagka mga ganito, no, na before the news, it's actually getting priced in. So later, US session, it may um, start moving. Okay, so we are not going to have a position here. Okay, so bakit medyo tricky kasi, no, nandito tayo sa nasa resistance area tayo, and we are above the EMA 50. So if yung forecast natin is that it will go up, it will continue to go up because of the price in ng market ng interest rate. It may go up to 4,481. So what we are going to do is that we will have a buy stop. Okay? Buy stop tayo dyan. Yan. Medyo mataas tayo. 4,470. Okay? So tingnan natin. So kung mag-buy stop tayo dyan, yan, dito tayo mag-buy stop. Yan. 4,470. And targeting this, 4,481. 4,370 pala ang ating buy stop option. Buy stop order, sorry. Yan. And of course, the stop is below the buy stop level, which is a 4,4, or sorry, 4,341. Okay? Yan. So that's our target here. If yun nga, tama yung forecast natin that we are bullish with gold, and that the holding of the interest rate is already priced in. Okay? However, ito meron kasing gap dito and hindi pa siya nababalikan. So possible na balikan niya muna to. Okay? So ito, hindi naman siya matitrigger unless talaga magkaroon talaga ng sobrang taas na movement dyan, or talagang sobrang bilis, no? So dito, the other thing is that we can have a buy limit order dito. And targeting this, and eventually 4,481. So let's not get our hopes up na to the moon itong si gold agad-agad. Okay? Because yun nga, it's still recovering, and the market is still uh, filling out yung peace deal ng US and Iran. Okay? So buy limit naman tayo dito. Buy limit. Yan. If all else fail, then it will resume going down. No? So dito, kung mabasag niya pa to and ito, wala na, no? Talagang we're looking at the lower levels here. So our chance or our forecast of gold having a recovery, ano talaga yan, mawala na talaga yan. So dito, we are going to target lower levels. If mabasag niya yung 4.2, then we're looking at 4.1 and also 4,000. Okay? So yun lang muna, wag muna tayong mag-assume na it could go down to 3,930. Ayan. Yan yung mga levels natin. Okay? And 3,925, 3,930, that's the lowest that it could go pagka nag-bearish move talaga to si gold. Okay? So far, nag-hold naman yung 4.3. There's a reason why we are still bullish with gold. Okay, so mamaya yan, in Fed announcement 2 a.m. So we're going to trade this, we're going to check it out while it is yun nga, kahit na nasa announcement pa lang. So there are a lot of words that we are looking for. If there's any hawkish tone, then we might see gold going down. Okay, so but right now, there's evidence that we are still on a recovery V shape. Gold at around above EMA 50, above 4,300, which is a psychological level. So we are banking on a bullish move with gold. So even if magbagsak si gold ng konti dyan, it may still just a fake out. So abang-abang tayo dyan. Okay, sa 4,250. Yan, diyan kasi nabasag yan. Yan yung gap up. No? So meron tayong video dyan, start of the week, that we have a buy stop ordered. Yan, sa 4 to 50 yan. So 4 to 50, 4 to 53, ang target natin dyan is around 4 to 90. Okay, 4.3. So, but it exceeded our expectation. It even went up to 4.367. So, yun lang sa ating gold midweek outlook. So, very exciting with the Fed announcement, no? So, volatile volatile movement ahead. So, yun lang, ingat lang, always apply risk management. So, if you're interested to learn more about forex trading, you can check our bio. Nandiyan yung mga links natin with Telegram community where I send trade ideas and trade signals. So, I hope to see you there.